Good job, baby. Hi, neighbors.
Hi neighbors, how are you doing today, Leila and Zahra? How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, great. Alright, so we're outside this morning. How are you feeling outside?
Cool.
It's cold, right? That's why baby sisters, so we have here Edie and Ava in their hoodies. See they have the things over their head? Yeah. Alright, so what do you want to do today? You're cold, right? What do you want to do today?
Some school.
You want to do some school today?
Yes.
But today is Sunday. Come and talk. Come and talk. What do you like to learn about at school?
Numbers.
Numbers. That's okay. You learn about numbers. What else do you learn about in school, Leila?
Dancing.
Dancing, right? What else do you learn about, Zahra? What about letters?
Yes.
Yes, you learn about letters as well. Right. So tomorrow we'll start back with our school again. But today is Sunday, so we're going to enjoy today. It's the weekend. Alright, so what's for breakfast? What you want for breakfast today?
Pancakes.
Pancakes? How many pancakes can you eat?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You can eat six.
Seven.
You can eat 7 pancakes.
Yeah.
What do you want with the pancakes?
Syrup.
Syrup? Okay, pancake syrup. And what else? You want eggs?
Yes.
This sounds so yummy.
Boiled egg.
You want boiled eggs?
No.
What kind of eggs do you want?
Boiled egg.
Turn around. Talk to the neighborhood.
I want the egg scrambled.
You want scrambled eggs? Okay, great. Alright.
Scrambled egg.
What kind of eggs do you want then? You say you don't want boiled eggs, you don't want scrambled eggs, but what other kind of eggs are there? You don't want eggs at all?
That's the egg.
Or what about if you get bacon? You want bacon?
Yes.
Okay. So pancake with pancake syrup and bacon. You want bacon too, Leila? Alright, so pancake with pancake syrup and bacon. That sounds like a deal? Alright, high five. High five, Leila. Leila, high five. So pancake syrup and bacon coming up. Say, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we've heard it from the bigger twins. Now I'm asking Ava. Hey, Ava. We're just watching a sister, Ava and Eden. What do you want for breakfast? They're distracted by Leila and Zahra going about the place. Hey, Ava, what do you want in your little tummy, tum? What do you want in your little tummy? You want some porridge? Porridge? You want some porridge? Or tell them how you like papaya, and you like your apples, and you like your grapes, and you like your banana. No, you don't like banana. You like banana. Yes, okay. So that's what you want this morning? That's what you want this morning, baby? We're going to sort you out, okay? But you're in your hoodie, your nice little hoodie, and we're going to see what today has in store, alright? Give me a high five. High five. Okay, that's a little gentle, but we work on it. High five. More intensity, Eden. Right. Love the intensity. High five again, Eden. Intense. Okay, you stole that one, Ava. I saw you. Okay. High five, Edie. Intense. Edie making Ava team the high five. Intense. Alright. Come. Good day on 3. Eden, come, fall in Eden. Good day. Good day on 3. 1, 2, 3. Good day. Okay, we're out. Morning, neighbors. So, as you can see, it's Sunday. We just hold a vibe outside. It's a beautiful day, actually. Woke up chilly for Portmore, no lie. Outside is beautiful, it's windy. I think you can hear the wind and the sun is coming out. It's time for church. So we have to back inside. But man, it's a beautiful start to the day. Hope your day is going well. Hope on Sunday or Saturday you went to church. So, you know, even if you never go physically, your birthday and stuff where you can see them and have some degree of fellowship online. That's where you are attending like me and the rest of us today. So here's to a good week. Here's to a week that is unknown in terms of what will happen, but again, we know who we're going with. We're going with God. And God is the one who defends us. God is the one who leads us. God is the one who looks out for us, right? So be confident. Alright, so let's see what's going. So you want to dance today? You're going to dance today, right? They said they wanted bacon, and the chef is giving them what they wanted. Well, it's on the menu board, so let me show you what the menu is for today. Right, so the menu for today, today is the 13th, right? Breakfast, bacon, eggs, buttermilk, pancakes, right? And there's some chocolate chip pancakes as well. For lunch, keeping it as bun and cheese. And dinner, drum roll please. It's actually this is a typical restaurant menu board. It's not roast beef, it's roasted beef. You know what?
It's called roast beef.
It's
roast beef.
It's roasted beef.
No, it's roast beef.
Listen, we're going to have a conversation about this.
You do that.
Curry chicken,
and let the
fried
neighbors
chicken.
tell you that it's roast beef.
Listen, Jamaicans have a style, you know. All the menu boards, fried chicken, FRY chicken, curry chicken, roast beef. But it's actually, what's the word? It's an adjective, right? You're describing what has been done to the chicken. So it's roasted chicken, fried chicken, curried goat, not curry goat. That is like that's like a command. No, man. It's 2022, I have to get it right in 2022. Roasted beef, not roast beef, guys. Come on. Watch me on Tina later, man.
1, 2, 3. God is good. God is great. Let us dance to forever food. Amen. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord.
And Eden is wondering, wow, this looks so. You're eating Eva is saying this looks so good. Eva, don't worry, baby, you soon get your own, okay? How is it, Zaza? Good? Alright, how is it, Leila?
Good.
Thumbs up? Alright. So you got what you wanted, bacon, and eggs, and pancakes. Edie? No, Eva, you're soon come, okay? Let me take you away from the temptation. Come, baby, come. Come. You want to come? Alright, stay. What are you eating? You're torturing yourself. Alright, do you think? The church is still going on inside, but I had to take Eden and Eva outside because they were getting restless and it's busy. They want to sleep, but they're fighting to sleep. Too much is going on around them. So I'm taking them outside just to get them settled in their stroller. And eventually, most times, they just doze off and get them nap, whatever, half an hour, whatever they need. And then they'll be fine again. So I'm now in charge of Children's Church. We took it outside so that we can have the baby settled. And you see already, Eden fell asleep, but Eva is still up. Eva is still fighting the sleep, you know. Fighting. So Eden wake up now, Eva wake up, Eden fighting the sleep, you know. Guys, go to sleep, alright? Go to sleep. No, not play. Don't rock back. Go to sleep, baby. No, don't talk back. Go to sleep. So even though I had to, be in charge of Children's Church, I still got the point or the message for the sermon. They were relaunching the widows ministry today, and the text was really saying, you know, God instructs us to remember the orphans and the widows, and you know, be careful how you treat them good and all them things there. But it really reminded me of Proverbs, I think it's Proverbs 19 verse 17. Proverbs 19 verse 17 says that those who give to the poor lend to God, and He will repay you. He will repay you. So you give to the poor, you lend to God. So if you lend God something, God is never short of resources to pay you back. But that just shows the importance of certain people to God. If you have abundance and you have enough this and you have resources, you're not worrying about stuff, you should give. If you can only make ends meet though, and you know you only have just enough, you should give. Nobody thinks you're enough to give. If you have less than what you need to comfortably go through the month, of course, what you think, how can you? But you should give. You should give. And give with the right motives. So that was the takeaway for me today. Just remember to be kind, to be giving, caring, regardless of who the people are. It's our calling to be good neighbors, the people around you, and God not gonna forget. So run on the road quickly. I'm going to head back home shortly. Just doing something real quick. Anyway, back home now. And dinner is ready just like that. I mean, dinner time. And I'm the one sharing. What was that noise? Somebody clearly very hungry. I think it's Tina. I'm going to share before she tumbled down. Now, I am not the best sharer of food. I'm going to admit that straight off the bat. But this is how we're eating today. God has been good. So, this is Zaza's, Leila's, Hannah's, Tina's, and Paul's. Of course, I give myself extra beef and all these nice things. It's good to be the sharer, you know. I never cook today, but I always try to be the sharer because honestly, while sharing, I always eat pieces. So if I'm sharing all the beef, I cut off pieces and it's like I share, give a piece, and I'm like, And then now like the potato, eat, and I'm like, So it's like one for them, one for me. That kind of vibe. And then my plate, I always need to have a little extra. But see, on the plate is not really all I'm eating because some already gone down when I'm sharing. Keep it smart, guys, but don't tell Tina. Don't tell Hannah. Don't make nobody know. It's between me and you, see? Now, since Tina was so hungry and her nose was so, you know, under the pitch, let's catch up with her and see how is she feeling now after eating.
I'm shining that bright light in my face, dude.
Speak. The floor is yours.
The floor is mine.
So, you have two things to address.
What?
First of all, say good afternoon, neighbors.
Good afternoon, neighbors. Happy Sunday.
Right, so that weird note that they were singing, you're a really hungry man.
I was communicating with Ava McFlavor.
Okay.
With baby Ava. I was trying to be animated for baby Ava. It had nothing to do with the fact that I was very hungry.
But you were hungry though.
I was indeed.
Okay. And you're feeling better now?
Yes, I was up a little late. And I got up earlier than I planned. I was planning to sleep in a little late this morning in a Paul Reed. I was hoping that you would have obliged me, but you did not.
Me? How was it me or was it the children?
Well, yes, that's why I was hoping. I knew your children would not oblige me. That's their job. But I was hoping you would.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got up. I went to bed almost 2, got up just after 6 o'clock. And yeah, the day just started from there. So yeah, I kind of snuck in here and was hoping for a little alone time, except that now I have this bright light shining in my face and I'm not alone.
You're welcome. So, children didn't eat the dinner. Your thoughts?
I can't bother. I can't bother. And here comes one of the guilty parties. I can't bother.
They have good days and they have
I
bad
guess
days.
you
Some
and
days
I
they
will.
want to eat.
I guess. Listen, there's a piece of roast beef left.
Leave the patty alone.
I
Leave the
guess
patty
you
alone.
and I.
Leave the patty alone. I said to take your hand onto the patty. Eva, why are you always going into this patty? Good thing we cleaned out this morning. What's the fascination? You don't even use it. Eva,
We need to teach her how to use it. We could sure spend a little less on
why do you
diapers.
keep going there? Jeez.
Come, Ava.
Why didn't you eat any of the potatoes and the nice steamed vegetables? You didn't like it. And I give you with all, nice pan gravy, pan drippings and all that. But Eden had a little bit, right?
Yeah, eat it some.
By the way, where is she? Where are all the other children?
The others are outside, but Eden is somewhere around the living room.
What do you mean? Outside? Living room? With who?
Let's go see what's happening. Hello, Eden. I caught you. What are you doing? Don't try to walk away from me. Where are sisters? Where are your sisters? You don't know? Leila? Why did you eat it dinner?
Cause I don't want it.
Yes, why you don't want it?
Cause I want to get up and ride my bicycle.
You want to get up and ride a bicycle, that's why I didn't eat dinner. So you're going to have some later? You sure?
Yeah, I saw it.
Okay, alright. Neighbors, you know what? I'm going to call it an early evening. It's been an eventful day. I mean, it's been a really calming day. Getting ready for the week ahead. I hope you guys have a great week. By the time you're seeing this video, your week would have already started, but go with God and take it one day at a time, guys. So from me and Eden here, who is so fascinated by what she's seen her sisters doing, riding around me. And from all of the hosts, as usual, guys, big up from me. Alright, I'm interrupting this sign out because I was noticing in my sign out how amazed Eden was after she seen her sisters riding around. So I decided afterwards to take her on the bicycle to give her a feel of actually how it feels to ride. So let me show you what's going on.